everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today meet the 2025 Jaguar Motorhome, where British elegance meets road trip freedom. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement. At first glance, it's unmistakably Jaguar. From its sculpted aluminum body to the iconic front fascia, the 2025 Jaguar Motorhome blends sports car DNA with the soul of an explorer. It's aerodynamic, yet commanding, and yes, it turns heads at every campground. Step inside, and you're greeted by handcrafted leather, real wood trims, and a panoramic glass roof that brings the outside in. The interior is designed more like a luxury suite than a camper van, complete with a reclining lounge, pop-up OLED entertainment system, and even a built-in espresso machine. The kitchenette features induction cooking, a compact convection oven, and smart storage, all powered by a high-capacity solar and battery system. The bedroom. It's a memory foam queen with adaptive climate control. No corners cut here. Under the hood, it's powered by Jaguar's hybrid electric inline-6, offering over 400 horsepower and smooth torque delivery. On the road, it's quiet, confident, and surprisingly agile for its size, thanks to adaptive air suspension and rear-wheel steering. Tech-wise, the Jaguar Pivi Pro infotainment system comes with voice assistant, over-the-air updates, and full smart home integration. Control your motorhome's lights, climate, and security from your phone, even while hiking. The 2025 Jaguar Motorhome isn't just about getting there. It's about how you feel along the way. Stylish, smart, and unmistakably Jaguar, this is travel reimagined. Subscribe for more reviews, and let us know, would you take this on your next great escape?